Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in solo leveling Arise Overdrive game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first step is to fix sound problem in solo leveling Arise Overdrive. So click on the Windows icon and then click on settings. Then go to system on the left. Then click on sound. Scroll down and then click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and from the drop down select off and then click apply and then OK. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. If not, then if it is already off, if spatial sound is already off, then select Windows Sonics for headphones instead, then hit apply and then OK. Then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the solo leveling Arise Overdrive game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Now make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3 is for the users who are using the Bluetooth headphones. So if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on apply and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals, so disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve sound or audio issues in solo leveling Arise Overdrive game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.